Okay guys, today I'm going to show you beginner-friendly method, and I really mean beginner-friendly way to do affiliate marketing to drive free traffic to your affiliate offers. But because this is a free method, you will need to invest some time and some work, but you will get results. And this is beginner because you don't need any expensive softwares, you don't need any complicated softwares. I'm going to show you step by step how to set up everything in just 5 minutes, totally free. And all you have to do after that is just invest some time and some work. And about a month or two later, you will start getting results. So with that being said, let me jump in my computer and we are going to begin. For those of you who don't know what Clickbank is the biggest digital product marketplace on the internet. There are others similar like Digital24, JVZoo, Warrior Pass and other. But for the example of this video, I am going to use Clickbank. And let's say I'm in health and fitness niche, and the reason for that is because that is the big niche, and that means there is lots of small niches where competition is not that big, it's not that strong. And that means that I can actually promote products and sell those products and make money without any big competition. So what I need to do, I need to go here on Clickbank Marketplace and I need to scroll here and I need to click on health and fitness. And Clickbank will give me all the available products in health and fitness niche. And I'm actually looking for a specific product, so I need to go on second page. I will click here on second page and I need to scroll down on the bottom, and product that I'm looking for is back pain breakthrough. Okay, as you can see here, I can make $46 per sale on average. Gravity is 67.82, which is a good gravity. And I need to open their sales page in new tab to check it out. And sales pages are really important because if product have a good sales page, that means that you can make more sales and that means you can make more money. And this actually looks like a good sales page. And the next thing I need to do, I need to see, does this niche have potential? And the easiest way to do that is to see, are there any questions in this niche? Are there any questions related to back pain in this case? Because if there are no questions related to back pain, that means that nobody is having problem with their back, and that means I cannot sell this product. So I need to find questions related to back pain. And the easiest way to do that is to actually go on Quora, because Quora is a question and answer website. So if there are questions related to back pain, there will be in Quora, right? It makes sense. So what I need to do, I need to come here and in search bar, I simply need to type back pain and I need to click on search, and Quora will give me list of back pain related questions, and here you can see there is lots of back pain related questions, which means people do have problem with their back, and that means if I offer them a good product that will solve their problem, they will buy that product, and plus I will make money and also I will help them with their problem. Another thing that you can do is you can go on Ahrefs free keyword generator, and here you can type again back pain and then click here on find keyword and then confirm you are not robot, and when you scroll here you will see lower back pain is searching 230,000 people every month in United States alone, and here you can see low back pain 58,000 people, stretches for low back pain 50,000 people, and so on and so on. And that means that more than 300,000 people search low back pain related queries on Google every month in United States alone. And keyword difficulty is 77, 46, 79, which means competition is big, is strong. And for this method, that is actually a good thing, and you will see later why. So all of this means that this niche, back pain, have a good potential, and we can promote this product here and make good money. So next thing we need to do, we need to make a bridge page, and the reason for that is because many websites do not allow direct affiliate links, and that is why we need to make a bridge page. And for that we are going to use system.io. I will leave you a link in the description so you can register for free. But before I show you how to make a bridge page, I am giving away a free ebook called Top Affiliate Tactics. I will leave you a link in the description so you can download your copy for free. So after you register on system.io, what you need to do, you need to click here on menu and then click here on funnels to create a new funnel. And then here in upper right corner, click on create. And we need to give a name, so let's say back pain, okay? And you can choose any of these, but for this example I'm just going to use build an audience. Scroll here and click create and System.io will create your funnel, will create your squeeze page. But because we are building a bridge page, we don't need thank you page. So I will just delete this, click here, confirm. And you can actually choose from many templates that you can use. So let me just find, let's say this one here, for example, just click here on select. And now I actually need to edit this template to according to my needs. So I will click here to edit this template. And this is how this template looks. And your bridge page should be clean and simple because you don't want anything to draw their attention from the main thing. And that is to take the quiz and click on your affiliate link. You can add a background image if you want. I usually don't do that. Because like I said, I'm making a simple bridge pages because I don't want anything to draw their attention. So I don't need this here. So I will just delete this. Okay, click here on OK to delete it. Okay. And I will edit this. Now I already prepared text for this quiz, so I will just open my notepad and this will be title of my quiz. Just Ctrl C to copy and I can change this, okay? And I will change color of these letters to be white, okay? And then click here and let's say white, okay? And now it's white. Is my back pain serious? Now this is the question for the quiz. Really, really powerful. And I also like to add a disclaimer. So I will just copy disclaimer. Okay, Ctrl C to copy. And I will change this, paste it here. And I will actually make this smaller. Font size, I will make it smaller, much, much smaller. And line spacing, again, smaller, much smaller. Okay, and I will change this also to be white. So let me just highlight everything and I will choose white. Okay, it's now white, but I will increase line spacing. Okay, and this is better. This is how it looks. And now I need to make a quiz. To do that, simply click here and here on the left side, scroll here and then click on survey or drag it here. Okay, and give it a second and this is it. This is my quiz. So what I need to do next, I need to click here and I need to click here on edit survey questions. Click here and now I need to add my first question. Like I said, I already prepared questions. So this will be my question. Ctrl C, click here, okay, and paste it here. Please give your age. That will be my first question. Subtitles, you don't need subtitle. And here you need to offer them answers. Now, questions and answers should be simple because people don't like taking long and complicated quizzes. They like simple and quick quizzes. And your answers, offered answers, should be often very short, most of the time, yes or no. In this case, I'm actually offering numbers. So I'll just say under 40, okay, and I will paste it here. And also second answer, Ctrl C, I will paste it here. And third answer will be over 50, okay? And that's it. I can add another answer if I want, but I don't want to do that. You can also delete answers, just click here. I don't want to do that. And that's it. All I have to do now is just click here on back and I will click here on add another question because I have more questions. Usually you wish to add between 5 and 10 simple questions. So I will add another question. My question will be, please give your gender. Ctrl C and then again just click here on my question number 2 and I will ask my question. Please give your gender. Again, you don't need subtitle and my first answer will be female. Okay, and I will add another answer and my another answer will be male. Okay, and again just click here on back and that's it. I added 2 questions to my survey. You can add more questions, but for the purpose of this video, I will just add these 2 questions. And that's it. And all I have to do now is just click here on exit. But now we need to add our affiliate link. And to do that, you need to click here on final step. Okay? And we don't need these fields here. So I will delete this because we are not collecting emails. And delete this. And this text here, I don't need it. I will delete it. And I will actually add an image. So I will simply drag this here, okay? And I need to upload the image. Click here on select file. And let me just find, okay, this is the image. Give it a few seconds to upload that image on system.io. Okay, click insert and that's it. This is my image. When I scroll here, I can actually make this image smaller. Just do this image size, resize this image. Okay, let's say this is the right size of the image for me. And here I can say something like, let me just find it. I prepared it. Okay, Control C, and I can say that here. Let me just paste it. Okay, and I will change background for this text to be more visible. Just click here and let's say white. Okay, and it's now white background. And also what I need to do, I need to change this button here. Here you can see click here. Okay, and let me just scroll here where it says click here. And I can say something like this. So let me just copy this, Control C. Okay, let me just copy this, Control C, and I will say something like this. Click here to learn how. Simple 30-second morning ritual eliminates back pain. Click here to learn how. And I will delete subtext because I don't need that. And now I need to add my Clickbank affiliate link. So simply go back on Clickbank, click here on promote to promote this product to get your Clickbank affiliate link. Click here on generate hook link and click here to copy. Let me just close this. Go back on system.io and scroll here. And here on the left side where it says next step URL, you need to click here and you need to click on open URL. And here where it says URL, you need to paste your Clickbank affiliate link. And what I also like to do is I like to click here on image because many people like to click on these images. So again, just click here. I will paste my link, just Control V, and that's it. And this is my quiz, okay? This is how it looks. This is the how final step will look. So after you are satisfied how your quiz looks, all you have to do here in upper right corner, click on Save Changes, give it a second, and then click here on Exit, and that's it. You created your simple quiz in just 5 minutes. Now to find these questions, you can simply go back on Quora, and you can modify these questions here to adjust them to your quiz. Or you can simply go on Google and type back pain quiz, and you can find lots of quizzes related to back pain, and you can use those questions in your own quiz. And this is the link to my quiz. So let me just copy this and let me just open this in new tab, paste it here, and this is how my quiz looks. Okay, please give your age. Okay, I should have made these letters in white, but I didn't, so that is a mistake. You need to pay attention on those details. So let's say I'm under 40 because I am under 40. I'm male, and this is the final step. And when someone click on this button here, click here to learn how, it will take them to the sales page of this product. So this is our quiz, and now we actually need to start promoting this quiz. Now this is not the best looking quiz. I made this just for the purpose of this video to show you how to do this. Of course, your quiz will look much better than mine. So next thing we need to do, we need to actually start driving traffic to this quiz. And for that, we are going to use blog commenting. Blog commenting is an old tactic, but it still works. You can still get good results with blog commenting. So what you need to do, you simply need to come here on Google and you need to type, for example, back pain and click search. And what you need to do, you need to start opening these websites in new tabs to see which of these websites actually allow comments. And you need to start commenting on those websites. And you can also search related terms. For example, back pain exercise blog, and click search. And again, you need to start opening these websites in new tab to see which of them allows commenting and then comment on those blogs. So let me just open this one in new tab to see, does this blog allow comments? So let me just scroll to the bottom. Okay, let me just scroll. Okay, this blog actually allows comments. So what you can do, you can simply say something like this. Okay, let me just copy this, Control C, and I can paste it here. Okay, Back pain is not always serious and can often get better on its own. But in some cases, pain is your body's way of telling you that something isn't right. I made this short quiz that will help you determine if your lower back pain is serious. And then I need to go back to my quiz and I need to copy the URL, go back here, and I need to paste that here, okay? But here, when you scroll here you can see they actually have an option for the website. So I will actually paste it here and I will delete it from here. And I can say something like, click on the link in my name or something like that, and add your name, add your email, and then click here on post comment, and that's it. Just close this website and then open this one, and open all of these blogs and start commenting on as many blogs as you can. And if you answer on 100, 200, 300 blogs in 1 month, and trust me, you will start getting traffic to your quiz, and people will start getting this quiz, and people will start clicking on this click here blue button, and they will start visiting your affiliate offer, and some of those people will buy that product, because like I said, these are the people who have particular problem, and that is the back pain, and this product can solve their problem with the back. And that is why many of these people will actually buy this product. So this is how you do Clickbank affiliate marketing as a beginner, by driving free traffic and by using quizzes to promote your affiliate offers. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.